Prescott, Arizona is for the curious, for those who love to explore. Prescott has a past, a history, but it's a living history. Prescott is a town where a walk down Montezuma Street is a step back in time. But Prescott also has an energy firmly rooted in the present day. Prescott is not a time capsule. The city has been changing constantly for over 160 years, and it continues to do so. From its Wild West heyday and mining boom to periods of rapid growth, its destruction by fire, Prescott makes history. Each moment is written in time, and when you're here, you become a part of it. Wandering the historic streets of downtown Prescott, the handful of blocks surrounding Courthouse Plaza is easy to do on your own. But if you'd like to learn some interesting facts about the town's past, things not everyone knows, not even locals, it's best to have a guide. The Prescott Chamber of Commerce offers free walking tours of the downtown area every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, starting at 10 a.m. May through October, and this video will show you some highlights. There's no need to sign up. Just head to the Chamber's Visitor Information Center at 117 West Goodwin Street, across from the south side of the plaza. Talented tour guides trained by the Sharlot Hall Museum shepherd you to different areas of downtown. Each guide has their favorite stories and destinations, and no two tours are alike. The Whiskey Row tour will likely bring you to the Western Heritage Center, located at 156 South Montezuma, right on Whiskey Row. The center houses a number of historic exhibits touching on many aspects of Prescott's past. The Rough Riders, the arrival of the railroad, Wild West figures, Prescott's gambling history, mining, agriculture, and the town's connection to Hollywood and the many films shot in the area. Much of the Southwest is steeped in tall tales, legends, and myths. Prescott, and Whiskey Row in particular, are no different. To say that the truth has been stretched on occasion, or maybe bent a bit to fit a narrative, would be an understatement. Were Doc Holliday and Wyatt Earp really patrons of the Palace Saloon? Does a ghostly cat still wander the corridors of the Hotel Vendôme? Is there lost gold under the courthouse? And is a beloved dog really buried somewhere on the plaza? The answers to these questions, of course, depend upon who you ask. Once the dividing line between the higher class saloons and the seedier houses of ill repute in the red light district to the west, Whiskey Row Alley still provides backdoor access to many of the watering holes that front on Montezuma Street. You can almost hear the echoes of the hoots and hollers from old miners and gamblers, and you can easily imagine colorful ladies of the evening waving from the balconies above. The Yavapai County Courthouse is the centerpiece of Courthouse Plaza. The stately structure replaced an earlier red brick building. It was designed in a classical revival style and built in 1916 from locally quarried granite. The plaza, which hosts over 130 events every year, is home to a number of monuments and memorials. The famous Rough Rider statue, the Granite Mountain Hot Shots Memorial, the Cowboy at Rest statue, the All Veterans Memorial, and a small bronze plaque dedicated to Mike, Prescott's community dog. Mike the dog first appeared on the plaza in 1946. No one knows where from. He was named for the Hotel St. Michael, where he spent much of his time. His favorite treats, Eskimo pies. After 14 years of faithful service welcoming locals and visitors alike, Mike died on December 14, 1960. You can visit his plaque near the northwest corner of the Plaza grounds. The cornerstone of the Elks Opera House was laid on April 3, 1904, and the grand opening was held on February 20, 1905. The large elk on top of the building was taken down in 1971 when the Elks Club moved out, but it was restored and replaced in 2006. His name, by the way, is Bill. Both the interior and exterior of the historic building underwent an extensive community-led restoration project in 2009-2010. The theater's magnificent interiors can be viewed every Tuesday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. The Hassayampa Inn is an historic boutique hotel built in 1927 during the Art Deco era. Designed by architect Henry Trost, the Hassayampa replaced the old Congress Hotel that had been destroyed by fire in 1923. The hotel's design incorporates both Spanish colonial revival and Italianate architectural elements. The hotel was fully restored in the 1980s, preserving the striking painted designs adorning the lobby ceiling. The Hassayampa boasts a long list of notable guests: D.H. Lawrence, Clark Gable, Greta Garbo, Will Rogers, and Georgia O'Keeffe. Legend has it that the cracked tiles visible on the lobby staircase were caused by cowboy actor Tom Mix, who rode his horse Tony right into the hotel and up to the second floor. Apparently, though, Tony had to take the vintage Otis elevator back down. Whether or not it's included in your tour, no visit to downtown Prescott would be complete without a stop at the Sharlot Hall Museum. The centerpiece of the museum grounds is the original territorial governor's mansion built in 1864 from locally harvested ponderosa pine logs. The grounds are beautifully maintained, and the museum is the place to discover Prescott's territorial history. Whether you live here in town or are planning a visit, I hope you'll be inspired to take your own tour of downtown Prescott. Either guided or on your own, you're certain to learn something about Prescott's past that you didn't already know. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and let YouTube know by subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.